Hello everyone, happy Martin Luther King Day. I just wanted to say that, I started a job, I think it was about 3 weeks ago now, and every week that I've been in this job, I've just been working my butt off, trying to figure out like how the company works, how my job works, everything that goes into it. And so this has kind of bled into some of my weekends as well, where I'll still continue like studying and researching and just trying to like make sure that I get like ramped up as quickly as possible. But today is not one of those days. Today is Martin Luther King Day, meaning I have the day off. And so today is a day to just kind of relax and refresh before going back to work tomorrow and going back to a little bit of the grind. So today we're going back up into the mountains to just kind of like check some stuff out, have some fun, get some video, try out some new gear, take some photos, and just enjoy the weather and relax a little bit. So I hope it's going to be a fun time, and come along for the journey. So there's a reason why that was the slowest or the shortest flight I think I've ever had. As soon as I got above the tree line, I don't know if there's wind, I don't know if I didn't calibrate it right, but my drone like was flying all over the place. Like I had zero control out of it. Like it was going in a loop, and so I had to like counter the loop with the joystick for just the general like spatial movement. Didn't fucking work. I don't know what's going on. I need to recalibrate. I'll try it again, but this may be a droneless day. Alright, second time wasn't quite so bad. Plus, as soon as you get above the tree line, it doesn't really matter if it's moving around a little bit. It's still a little bit odd. I'm still not quite comfortable flying it super consistently, or at least getting like dynamic shots. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I might have to send it in, although the last time I sent it in, they charged me $300 to repair the thing, so it's like, maybe I'll just get a new one? I don't know. I'll think about it, but got some cool shots though. I don't know. You probably can't see a whole lot of it right now because we're like tucked in the woods, but on the left is actually a pretty nice stream, and then we're actually in the middle of the mountains, and so we're surrounded by them. And I was trying to get some of the sun peeking out above the mountaintops, but then we had our obviously our odd flying scenario, so we're trying to avoid that. You can see a little bit above it, but see right up there, that sun peeking over the mountaintops. There's actually mountains that line all the way over, and then right here, the freeway is actually just right over here. And so then the mountains create this tunnel that go all the way through this way. And so I was trying to get the drone to go up and actually capture some of that, but then we had like weird flying, and so I couldn't get quite to the center of the freeway so I could get the shots of the mountains on the right and the left, because I really wanted that center shot, but I just don't know what's going on with it. And so I may just try to drive up to the top of the mountains, so there'll be a little bit more snow, and then just use it with the actual camera, because then I don't have to worry about my camera flying into a tree or into a river or something like that. Just a little bit more security. So we'll see how this goes. We'll keep chugging along.
take a look at this. It's just so beautiful out here. And this is why it's important to get out, which actually kind of leads to the whole reason for today, which is, you know, kind of the reason why I continue to do photography and invest in photography and videography so much is really, I kind of use it as an excuse, right? Because I think that if I didn't have a camera with me, or if I wasn't out to take a photo or a video, I may not go out to places quite like this. And even though like the reason I come out originally, or the motivator behind coming out, is to actually take photos and make videos, really what I get out of it, the primary like thing that I get from it, is just enjoying the time out here and seeing the beautiful sights and just kind of immersing myself in nature and kind of getting away. And then like the photo and the video actually becomes secondary once I'm out here, even though it's the driving force to get me out here. And I think that when like we're stuck at home, or we're starting a new job, or we're, you know, trying to work through everything that's going on with Corona and whatnot, it's so important for us to take the time to clear our heads, relax, focus on ourselves, and just do what we need to get through this crazy time in our lives. So this is my excuse. This is what I do to do that. But I know everybody else has, you know, different coping mechanisms and whatnot. But I hope you realize that this is the reason why I like to do this. And I hope you enjoy some of the video that I'll put in here. Alright, so we are done filming for the day. We literally just kind of like, I literally just kind of went off the road, found a little spot where some people were sledding, and then I found a snowmobile trail that currently had no snowmobiles on it, and just kind of went off into the woods a little bit, and I just found not quite the big expansive vista that I was looking for, but the sun peeking through the trees and everything was just, I thought it looked really, really good. Plus it was an opportunity to try out the new rig, which included the camera obviously, but with a gimbal, but I also had for the first time an external monitor so I could see what I was filming just a little bit better instead of having to film and retake and film and retake and film and retake. So I enjoyed that. I thought it was a lot of fun. And so now we are heading back to the city, but in true fashion, I need to get some chicken nuggets first, because that is my favorite treat to do on the way back from a shoot. I know it's not good for me, I know, but damn, there's something good about having some spicy nuggets after a day like today. So super excited. Hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, get out there, get a little bit of sunshine, try to get some outdoor exposure while you can. Exposure may not be the best word. Get some outdoor time. We're stuck inside so much today. Just make sure you're safe while you're doing it. And also, if you're gonna go and you wanna find the snow, highly recommend maybe getting a snow park pass. I stopped about 4 times at different snow parks looking for a spot to film at, but unfortunately there just wasn't a lot that I could do because I didn't have the pass and they needed me to have the pass. So I'm gonna get the pass next time because it's a lot easier to film in those than it is to go find this off-road place. So anyway, have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one.